Hi everybody, it's Rob. I have got to the first step, which is on actually video 2 on its keyword research for this pillar page. Now, you should go to content creation courses, to my course on it, or to my keyword research course to get an idea as to where I'm at with this. Okay, now, in my case, in this example, so what I'm trying to tell you is almost any kind of a page that you want to target will work here. You could target a 30 or 50,000 searched for monthly search page if you wanted to. And remember, it's hardly likely to rank with just these 12 steps, but you would have got very far along the road in ranking it, or at least having it in a position where it will rank maybe one day when you've got 30 of your other pages all powering up to it. Okay, so you could go that route. I don't suggest it. And by the way, I do suggest you have that page on your website. They would be called core pages in the training. Go there and see. So, in my case, I wanted to target a long tail keyword that kind of is going to be very important to people with fibromyalgia, in other words, my niche, and is kind of easy enough-ish to target. Now, I've got keyword research in here. In my keyword research training, there are hundreds of ways you can go and do this. Remember, again, I'm trying to keep this down to only, listen to the chuckle in my voice, 6 hours of work for this pillar post. I still want it to work, but I think that I will get enough research from my shortcut version here. But I'm trying to tell you that, yeah, maybe you want to do it even more detailed. Spend another hour. Go and use a keyword tool if you belong to one. I didn't even use Google here, Google keyword research. I simply used keywords everywhere. So I also didn't use the golden keyword system, Doug Cunnington's version, which is a pity because if I had have, I might have known if I'm kind of guaranteed to rank or not. Again, I'm not planning to make a huge rank. Really speaking, in this case, I'm testing this to rank on YouTube, right? So if you look up here, I've said, has the potential to rank in the top 5 on YouTube. That's, to be honest, where I'm trying to go here. That's all I want to test. But if I'm going to make a video that I could have done that in 15 minutes, by the way, with the research I've done here in step 2. I could have put together this with about 15 minutes into PowerPoint, and I would have had my video done, everything, the video, the research, all done in less than an hour. But again, I needed to do a case study to show you how you can get all of these extra assets out there to give you the maximum bang for your buck, pow, the maximum boom, whatever it is that you want, to see how to do it. So I'm trying to tell you, do it bigger or do it less as per how you think. So here's what I did. I went to keywords everywhere and I literally started, let's go to my desktop, I literally started with the keyword fibromyalgia. I really got to learn to switch off. Hang on a second. Okay, so I went to Google and I typed fibromyalgia and I hit search. Did I hit search now? No, I didn't. I don't think. But let's do that. So fibromyalgia search. Now, normally I just use Surfer. It's off, it's on, and it'll tell me this is free. This is a Google Chrome plugin called Surfer, keyword Surfer perhaps, I don't really know. And it gives me, this is the free portion, it tells me enough of what people are looking for, right? Now, I then took these keywords, I didn't quite do it this way, but this is what you would do, is you would take a keyword that's got 200 symptoms of fibromyalgia. They're joking with me. And I would look for and open them in other tabs to use that to find related keywords. Are you with me? So in other words, if I typed in here, watch this, Google gives me these. So fibromyalgia, treatment, causes, test, medication. Those do come up here, treatment, causes, test, medication, you see. So these are this machine, the surfer thing, is sucking these out of here. Good for them. Now, I still remember, this isn't exactly how I did it, but I'm showing you how you can do this for free. So you would then go back into here and look for, by the way, I've got this set for the Canadian search volume. So, because that's where I am. Hello, hi Canadians. So this body pain chart is something I could easily have put together as a keyword. Because if it's getting 110 searches, let's go there. In Canada, it's getting 1,000 searches worldwide. Well worth targeting if the competitions aren't too bad. Okay, so that's all you need to do is you find out what the international is, and you try to go for more than, say, 100 searches, but less than a few thousand. If you're going to go too big, you won't get the traffic. So again, all of that's in the content creation courses if you need more details on that, and it's in the here. Well, this is my one. What causes fibromyalgia flare-ups? Now, this came up at 620 searches, right? And that was enough for me, by the way. Now, the golden keyword rule. Actually, I'm going to go into it in a second, so I'll find out for you. What I did, though, was that I went into, so watch this, it says 620. I went into keywords everywhere, which is another tool. But this one I paid for. Look, I've got 97,000 credits left. That cost me $3 or something. So watch this. I turn it on, and I refresh this. It goes from 620 here. I think those numbers still stay. Let's have a look. If I leave Surfer on. There. So Surfer is telling me it gets 620 searches. My keyword tool here from Keywords Everywhere says 590 per month. I could pay 57 cents as a cost per click for that, which sometimes, by the way, is the best and fastest, simplest way to go. So that was it. I just decided, cool, flares. I love those. I live with them. Once a week I have a really cool flare up, and even now my hands are a little bit sore. Sorry. That was only because I waved it around to show you how cool my flare ups were. So that's kind of the extent of the effort I went to. But I'm going to pause this video, and I'm going to go and run this through the Keywords Everywhere tool. Okay, so give me a second. No, the golden keyword. My bad. The golden keyword tool. So first let me turn off keywords. No, I've got to leave it on, I think. Give me a sec. I'll be back. Okay, so there is, in the resources page on my website, there is a link to Doug's system on how to do this, to see if you're kind of going to get a yay keyword. Okay. So basically what you do is, remember I already had it searched for and it came up at 620. You add this little thing in front, all in title, with the little creatures there, those chachis, umlaut, I don't know what they're called, things, colons, there we go. And you hit the button and it comes up with all in title. It's gone. Did I turn it off? Oh, 37 results. Sorry, my bad. I'm wondering, where the hell's the damn number? Nobody searches for that. I understand that, because nobody calls a keyword all in title. This is what we needed to tell. How many people, 37 people, have actually got all those keywords, what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups, in the title and the description? Okay. So I'm only competing with 37 pages. How cool is that? So I come along to Doug's system. I throw it into the machine. Here it is here. What causes fibromyalgia? 37620. It comes up as 0.060, which comes up as go, 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 because it's safe. It's in his golden keyword system. It's safe. It'll work. It's a good keyword. So there we go. Yay for me. And basically that's really all I do. So I just needed a keyword fairly quickly, and I say quickly, I'm still going to target 6 hours of my time and longer, because listen to me talking here for half an hour every now and again to you on a video I'm going to do all of that just so that, let's watch this, doing a new post or page, is it this? Yeah. Just so that, so keywords everywhere in Surf is what I used, those two Chrome plugins, and I came up with that keyword called what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups. I will go into what I did with a YouTube research for that in a second for you. Let me leave this video as done for now. I repeat, if you need more keyword issue things on that, go to the proper keyword training and go for bigger, varied, etc. I'm very happy with my keyword. Cool. Cheers.